Hello, everyone. Welcome to 3043 Developmental Literacy. I'm Misty Flowers, and I look forward to our learning together. Excuse me. Before I start talking about day one and week one, I just want to review a few things at the top of our course. Under announcements, each week, I will post a video or an email talking about the upcoming week. I will try and post that on Friday or Saturday of that week. So that kind of gives you a heads up of what you're going to be learning. Please watch that video or read the email before you dive into the week. Next up here is Ask the Instructor. This is a place for you to post questions that you have, our syllabus, and prayer, praise, and encouragement. And you are more than welcome to put things up here also. All right, let's look at day one. It is the Instructor Expectations Forum. As the course gets closer to beginning, I'm going to post the expectations that I have for this course. You're going then to respond with an affirmation of your understanding of the syllabus and my expectations. That is worth 10 points, and it should be posted by midnight on Monday of week one. Questions? All right, moving on to week two. Oh, week one, sorry. Week one. Each week begins with an introduction. Please make sure that you read through this introduction every week because there are things that are embedded that are very important to this course. This is, as you can see, a little bit about PowerPoint, about what's going on in this course. And here's our objectives. Many of you are concurrently taking 3041, which is Developmental Literacy Lab. Please make sure that when you are looking at this course at 3043, that you're also looking at 3041 because they go together. What we are talking about and learning about in 3043, you're going to put into practice into 3041. That's what you're going to be doing in your tutoring sessions. If you have any questions about that, please ask me. Next, we have our resources that are available for you each week. This week, it's our textbook, pages 1 through 16, and then there is an article for you to read. I'm going to come back to this discussion forum rubric in just a moment. Your assignments are also listed. As you know, that discussion forums are due by midnight on Wednesday, and your peer responses are due by midnight on Saturday. This first week, your initial post is going to be a 3 to 5 minute video that synthesizes your response to this prompt up here. Be sure that your video is viewable by everyone. I use ScreenPal when I make my videos. It's easy to use and it's free. I never have any trouble opening anything that's made in ScreenPal. This week, you're going to reply to at least 3 peers. You're going to welcome them to the course and offer specific observations that demonstrate you carefully reviewed their videos. Now, I want to look at that discussion rubric for this week. In order to meet exceeds expectations on your initial post, it should reflect that you have read and understood the assigned reading materials, specifically citing required readings. Now, as you know, with APA, if you cite something in your post, you have to reference it at the end of your post. Make sure that your ideas are synthesized and rely minimally on direct quotations to make your point. When directed, the posting refers to outside sources to further support viewpoints. Keep videos to the posted time limit. Your written replies, I'm going to have you read this. The most important thing about written replies, to get the maximum points, you need to be asking reflective questions when you reply to your peers. If you're not asking your peers questions, then you're not going to get the full 4 points. The minimum is 250 words in each reply. And professionalism. Make sure that your tone is scholarly and coherent. It's clear, concise language, that your terminology is used correctly. It has a logical sequence, and grammar and audio are clear. If you have any questions about this rubric, please ask me. And everything right here, it's laid out for you how you're going to get 20 points on that forum. So if you have any questions, please be sure to ask. As I have said before, make sure that you read the email or watch the video that pertains to week 1 before you dive into the introduction for week 1. Again, if you're taking 3041, look at it as well as 3043. They go together. If you have any questions, please email me. My email is misty.flowers@mvnu.edu. I look forward to our time together. Thank you.